student at Ntare Louisenlund School, and we've been currently celebrating National Heroes Day. And I understand some of the Rwandan heroes' values like punctuality or time management, patriotism, loving your country, respecting others and helping them, and being courageous to overcome the challenges.
My name is Nyamata, and I study here at Ntare Louisenlund. Today, as you all know, is 1st February and Heroes Day here in Nyamata. And today I've learned a valuable lesson from the spokesperson of RDF, Brigadier General Ronald Rwivanga, that heroes should be brave, kind, selfless, and honest. Thank you.
This morning, we have learned from the Defence Spokesperson Brigadier General Ronald Rwivanga that a hero must be steadfast for any challenge to save humanity.